Okay, we're at the entrance to Water's Edge near Eastport Drive and Bar Boulevard. And we're entering Water's Edge. I believe Water's Edge is going to be a very popular, being across the street from Eastport. I believe there's going to be a lot of expensive lots right here around the trees and the Water's Edge Recreational and Postal that is here on my left that we just went by. And then we have the typical fences that are on this road. We'll get a look . Okay, heading back down Water's Edge. Got some varying ponds around here. You can see they're getting the staging ready for some tilt-up concrete panels for homes. Possibly in this section here on Bar Boulevard. This comes up to Saluki recreational area. So Water's Edge has got a little while to go before you start to see houses completely on this side. So that's Water's Edge. I'm actually going to walk into Saluki.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good evening. Gary.
Yes.
I'm a viewer of yours. I'm from Massachusetts.
Thought I would walk in, take a look.
Well, come on in. Come on. I'm going to go check the pool that...
You don't mind being filmed?
Oh, no, not at all.
Okay.
No, not at all.
You recognize me, huh?
Well, yeah, well, it's the hair, Gary. It's the hair. And the voice.
Some people say it's the voice.
Yeah, well, yeah, when you said something, I said, whoa, and the hair matches.
Okay. Saluki. Arcade games.